Are you tired of getting calls from unknown numbers or spam callers? Well, today, I'll show you exactly how to block unknown callers on your iPhone so you can enjoy peace and quiet without interruptions. I'll guide you through the steps exactly as shown in this recording. Let's get started. Alright, let's begin by unlocking the iPhone. If you have Face ID, swipe up from the bottom of the screen, and if you have Touch ID, press the Home button. Now that we're on the home screen, let's go to the Settings app, where we'll find the option to block unknown callers. Once inside Settings, scroll down until you see Apps and tap it. A list of installed apps will appear. Keep scrolling until you find the phone app and tap on it. This is where you can manage all call-related settings, including voicemail, call blocking, and caller ID. Inside the phone settings, look for the option labeled Silence Unknown Callers and tap on it. By default, this option is turned off, meaning your iPhone allows all calls, even from unknown numbers. To enable it, simply tap the toggle switch, and once it turns green, the feature is activated. With Silence Unknown Callers enabled, any call from a number that is not in your contacts, messages, or email history will be automatically silenced and sent to voicemail. The call will still appear in your recents list, but your iPhone won't ring, vibrate, or show a notification for it. This is a great way to block spam and robocalls without completely missing important numbers. If you ever need to disable this feature, simply return to the Silence Unknown Callers setting and tap the switch again to turn it off. Once disabled, all calls, including those from unknown numbers, will start ringing again. And that's it. Now you know how to block unknown callers on your iPhone in just a few simple steps. This method ensures you won't be disturbed by spam calls while still allowing legitimate calls from saved contacts to go through. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks. See you in the next one.